now we are going to discuss about our tool kit. Did you get the things we want to make the models with? You got your
Huh.
toolkit?
No, not yet, but we got some of them.
Okay, it's all right. If we don't have some things, it doesn't matter much. Okay, we are just going to discuss now what we have. Do you have a scissor to cut paper and
Yes,
cards? Okay,
yes.
these are the cutting tools. Okay, first of all, we want a scissors. This is for cutting cards, cardboards, and things like that. Okay, do you have a paper cutter, craft cutter?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
you have to be very careful with the craft cutter because it has very sharp edge. It's better that you use it with adult supervision. Don't use it alone. Okay. Do you have this one like this one?
Yes. Which one?
This blue one. If you have some stationery your father using here in your home, you might have this one. Okay. We have a single
Yes.
punch machine as well, and we have double punch machine as well. Okay. You can use any of those.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So if we don't have anything, we can use the other alternate as well. Okay, but we are going to discuss what we need today. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Next thing is the measuring tools. Do you have the metal ruler?
Oh,
Sorry,
we actually have the plastic because
you have plastic. We want a
plastic
metal ruler as well. That's important.
metal ruler we didn't take it because it's dangerous.
Metal
Yes.
ruler is not dangerous like this one because when we want to cut something, we want to put this metal ruler so our fingers are saved and the cutter won't cut this one by itself. Okay. Okay, try to get this one as well. All right, you can make a note of these things. All right, should I move? Okay, then do you have a geometry box?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
in geometry box you have this
Four.
D. Okay, you have all these things, the D and the triangle and the. Okay,
Sorry, we don't have this.
sorry,
We don't have the this one.
you don't have you
Just
don't.
this type.
Okay, just get it one. All right, get one. We want this D. The important thing is that we want this D. Okay, all right, and we want a measuring tape. You see, to measure something, we have measuring tapes. You have the measuring tape. Okay, this is the measuring tape. Okay, oh, all right. Now, next we want drawing and marking tools, pencil and eraser. You must have those. Do you have
Yeah.
a okay? Do you have a
Yeah.
black
In fact,
okay? Do you have a black marker?
we have yes, we can do.
All right. And the colored markers or the sketch pens?
Yeah. Pink.
Do you have the color markers?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
These are what we are going to draw these things first, all right? Next thing. To make something, we are going to use cardboards. Okay? You can use the cardboards from the boxes, from the empty boxes, all right? Cereal boxes or corrugated boxes. Do you have any in home?
Yes.
Okay.
No, we do.
All right. And foam board, that's not important. We can do without it. Do you have the ice cream sticks?
Yeah. Popsicle sticks.
Yes, popsicle sticks.
Okay.
These are the popsicle sticks. All right. Do you have those? Did you get those?
Yes.
Sorry. You will buy. Okay, note those. I just gave this list to your dad. Okay, if you don't have these things, try to get those things. Okay. And next we have to joining. We need glue stick. Do you have glue stick?
We're just going to go.
And the white glue that is
Yes.
used for. Okay, and the hot gun. Okay, did you get the
Yes.
hot gun?
Yes.
Hot glue gun. These are the hot glue guns. Have you? Did you get one of those?
I have that.
Okay.
Yes.
You can find all those things if you don't have on the stationery book. All right, on the stationery shop or any book shop. Okay, these are available them, and these are for kid versions. These small things are for kid versions. Okay, but we are going to understand how we are going to use them safely. All right. Okay. Then we have. Do you have a double side tape that sticks on both
Yes.
sides? Okay. Then we need sticky tacks, blue tacks. If you have those, that's better. We can do it without it, alright. Okay,
Sticky
you know the sticky tack?
blue tag. Yeah.
Alright. Next, we have for painting and decoration, we need some kind of colors. Poster colors or watercolors are good. Okay. So, next we want some paints. What we want?
Yeah, we do have paint books.
Yes. If you have poster paints, poster colors or watercolors, they are good. With them, we need paint brushes. We want a thin paint brush and a medium one. Uh, do you have color pencils and crayons?
Yes. We don't
Okay, okay, good.
exercise
Uh,
color pencil.
all right. We can use some beads, buttons, ribbons, glitter. If you have those, we can use them as well. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This is sticky tack. You can see that.
Yeah, we do.
All right. Good.
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So next thing we want is lighting material.
See it
Okay,
in our school.
we want is lighting material. You can also get them from the bookshop. Okay, usually they are you can find them in the uh, stationery bookshop. Okay, so in that we want a small LED light like this one. You can see the small lights, and we want 9-volt battery. You use them in your remote cars. Mustafa, do you have this battery with you? Okay. And then we want a battery connector.
We don't.
Yes, the battery
We just.
connectors, you can find them from the bookshop as well. And we want some, yes, and we want some thin wire. Okay. You might find this whole set in any stationery book. Okay. Okay. And important thing is that we want for protection and safety. We
We
want
don't have this big board.
not kitchen cutting board. This is cutting board for papers. Okay, for
Yeah.
paper and these things. Okay.
Yes,
O-
we have cutting board. Yeah. It has
Okay. And then I want you to put it on some table that is a strong table. that does not move very easily. Okay. And when we are going to use, you are going to start painting, you need to have old cloth. Okay, old shirt or old cloth or apron, so you don't mistakenly spoil your cloth. Okay. If you can get safety gloves, that's okay as well. And when you are going to use sharp and hard tools, it's better to have a supervisor on you. If I'm going to teach you here, I'm going to supervise you personally. Okay. Otherwise, if you are going to do it on your own, you need your parents to be present there. Okay. All right.
Yep.
Okay. Did you make note of all those tools you don't have?
Yes. We are using.
Okay. When we are going to start, we need to have a strong table. And yes, a strong table. On that we want a cutting mat, so it is a very straight surface. Okay. Then we need pencil, we need our, yes, we need our rulers, we need two metal rulers, that's a must. Okay. And one plastic ruler, and your geometry box. Okay. The first thing we need, these are the first things we need. All right. Make sure you have those, because from tomorrow on we are going to start making some things. All right. And by the way, if you don't get anything, if you think you can, if you don't find anything, it's okay, we can make some alternates as well. All right. You don't
These
worry.
things actually,
Sorry.
yeah, they're easy to find. Yeah,
These
they are
things,
easy to find.
they are easy to find, they are easy to find. Okay. I will share the list again with your dad. Okay, so you can get. But tomorrow we are going to start drawing, and what we need, uh, two metal rulers, one plastic rulers, your pencil, and papers. Okay.